In this video, we'll show you how to get voice chat in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you want to talk to your friends directly inside Minecraft instead of using Discord, I'll show you how to do it. Minecraft doesn't have built-in voice chat, but we can add it using a mod called Simple Voice Chat. The first thing we need is a mod loader. In this case, we'll use Fabric Loader. You can go to fabricmc.net, and once you're here, just hit download and then click download universal jar. Save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. Just hit save and the download will start. Before we continue, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go check them out. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Apex Hosting offers super fast performance with their high-speed servers, so your gameplay stays smooth and lag-free. They've also got amazing customer support available 24/7, and their setup process is incredibly easy, so you can start playing with your friends in just minutes. If you use Apex Hosting, you're supporting the channel, so thank you so much. Now to download the voice chat mod itself, you can go to cursevoice.com. Once you're here, just go to the Minecraft section and just type in simple voice chat and press enter. So it's gonna be this one, simple voice chat by Henkelmax. Make sure this is mods because we're gonna install it with Fabric. Click on it to go to the page and then go to the files tab, and here under game version, look for the Minecraft version you're playing or the Minecraft version on your server. And for the mod loaders, we're gonna use Fabric, so make sure it says Fabric. Once you find it, click the three dots on the right, hit download file, and just like before, save it somewhere on your PC, hit save, and the download will start. After you finish downloading, go to your downloads folder and you'll have voice chat and also the Fabric installer. First, we're going to install Fabric, so you'll need to open it up with Java. If you don't have it, you can go to java.com and download and install it on your PC. Once you've done that, just right click on Fabric installer, open with, choose another app, select Java from the list, and hit always. It'll open up Fabric installer. Make sure you're on the client tab, select your Minecraft version. For me, it's going to be 121.11. Hit install, and Fabric is successfully installed. Hit OK, and you can close this. Now open up Minecraft launcher. On the bottom left, make sure you select Fabric Loader Profile, and it's also the correct version. Go to the installations tab and then look for Fabric installations. Click the folder icon on the right. It'll open up your Minecraft installation folder. Look for a folder called mods. If you don't have it, you can just create a new folder and name it mods. So let's open it up, and then to install voice chat, just drag and drop it into the mods folder like that, and that's done. Now you can launch Minecraft with Fabric. Once you're in the game, you can press V on your keyboard to open up the voice chat menu, and there we go. Now you have voice chat on your Minecraft. Just go to settings and then select the activation method. Make sure you unmute your microphone, and there we go. Now every time I talk, there's a mic icon on the bottom left, which means the voice chat is working.